Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with Pirai. In this video, we are going to solve a Leetcode question number 1827. Minimum operations to make the array increasing. You are given an integer array nums 0 indexed. In one operation, you can choose an element of the array and increment it by 1. Okay, we can choose any element and we can increment by 1, and it is the one operation. Return the minimum number of operations needed to make nums strictly increasing. So strictly increasing means nums of I should be less than nums of I plus 1. Okay. Now the I should be in the range of 0 to length of the array. An array of length 1 is strictly increasing, right? So it also a strictly increasing array, right? Now I shall explain this problem. See here. Take for example, we have 1 comma 1 comma 1. Now they are asking us to convert this in an increasing order. It is like same level, right? We want to make this array as strictly increasing. Now they are asking us to do the minimum number of steps. Okay. Let us take this one and this one. Whether they two are at a right condition. No, right? No. My condition is what? My condition is nums of I should be less than nums of I plus 1, right? So what I can increase it by 1. Let us increase it by 1 to 1. Now it is strictly increasing. Okay, right. Now go to the next element. 2 and 1. Whether it satisfies this condition? No, right? So just increase the value of 1. Just increase the value of 1. Again, whether it satisfies the condition? No. Just increase the value of 1. So value of 2. Now it satisfies the condition. Now it is strictly increasing, right? So the number of operations we have used here is, this is my first operation, this is my second operation, this is my third operation. So totally the output will be 3. So this is what the problem states. Now how can we approach this problem? As we know, by seeing this carefully, I can say nums of I is less than, or I can say nums of I plus 1 should be less than or equal to nums of I plus 1. I can say because see here, if here is 1 and here also 1, I want to increment this one by 1, right? And see here is 2, here is 1. What is my minimum number of steps? I can make this at 3. So I can say whenever the condition which arises like nums of I is greater than or equal to nums of I plus 1. Whenever this condition occurs, I can say this condition comes into my role, right? Just see, if the first element is 2 and then second element is 1, what is my minimum number? I can 2 plus 2 is my minimum because 2 plus 1 plus 2 is my minimum, right? Because I can increase this 1 by 2 and make this at 3 so that it is strictly increasing. So I can say if this condition arises, I can say what is my operation I have to do? My operation I have to do is nums of I minus nums of I plus 1 because let us take this example. What is nums of I? It is 2 minus what is nums of I plus 1? It is 1 plus 1 which is equal to 2, right? 2. I have to do 2 steps. So what is my minimum possible value to increase to for the condition strictly increasing? It is nums of I minus nums of I plus 1 because I can increase my nums of I plus 1 by nums of I plus 1, right? So that's the condition. So that's I have to do that much operation, right? So this is my formula. Let's see the code. See here, result is equal to 0 for I in range of len of nums minus 1. If nums of I is greater than or equal to nums of I plus 1. I have told you, right? If it violates a condition, if not, it is not a strictly increasing order, then result plus equal to nums of I minus nums of I plus 1 because I can increase the I plus 1 element by 1 right. So I can say that's much operation I need, right? So I have given this operation, sorry, I have given this formula and I have added it into the result. Now nums of I plus 1 is equal to nums of I plus 1, right? See here, I have already told you nums of I plus 1, it means the next element. Just see here, after doing the operation, my 1 will become 2, right? So I want to update it. So I have updated here, right? Then I am returning the result. Here I can also use plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, anything, but still they are asking us to find minimum operation, right? That's why I am pressing by 1. I can say 2 is less than 3, also 2 is less than 4, 2 is also less than 5, but still to make 1 to 3 is a minimum step. To make 1 to 4 is not a minimum step because we have efficiently like 1 to 3. That's why we have used plus 1. Fine. Now let me submit it. So talking about a time complexity and space complexity, what's the time complexity and space complexity? Here, the time complexity is O of n. Why? Because we are traversing this array only one time. So it is O of n. What is space complexity? We are not using any auxiliary space. So the space complexity is constant. So space complexity is constant. So this is how the approach and code of the problem. Thank you.